Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be, fixing a fuel line on a 1949 Ford. As you can see, this fuel line, which was over there, is a little bit, it's just a little bit messed up right here. And so today we're gonna be replacing it because there's a leak. And so I cut the new line a little bit longer so that there would be less stress on the hose. So yeah, I'm gonna start installing it. We're gonna use some clamps, and so first we're going to put the clamps in the middle and then we'll slide them out so that it stays on there. So we're gonna take this and move it towards the middle. Same with the other one. Then we're just gonna put it on down there and put it on right here, and then we just tighten them. There we go. And there we go. The line is installed, and that should hold some fuel. No leaks. So yeah, that's pretty much the fuel line change on a 1949 Ford. If you did enjoy, please smash the like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.